Welcome to the first guide about the RCT Animation Manager. I will quickly show you how you can make an animation using this plugin. If you have installed it, you can find it under the menu here and it will open up. So let's create, for example, two trees here. We've got them in a certain color scheme and now we're going to make an animation. Let's call it trees. It doesn't matter what it's called. This is just for you. Once you call it, here you will see the triggers. So you can edit the trigger. You can give it a name if you want to. And there's like non-continuous button or current track. We will go for the continuous one. And you can also have it a delayed start if you want. For now, we just keep it on this normally. So we click update trigger. And now we have to create frames. So frames in animation are the different steps the animation will go through. So we can create our first frame. Let's call it normal. And we can click this frame and can edit frame. And here we can add the different objects to the frame. So I can click add and I can click the trees and they will be added. And I can say what's going to change about these trees. So for example, I can say I want them to be recolored. And I'm just going to change the colors to the green tint next to it. And I want this to be applied to every tree, so I can say apply action setting to all objects. Now it will be done to all of them. I can close this window and it will be there. Now I can say generate frame, gen frame. Let's call this one fall. And it will generate another frame for me. You'll see that the trees have now been changed. It has applied the frame I just created. Now in this frame, I want to make sure that it gets back to the state we had before. So I'm going to recolor them again, apply it to all. And now with this button, I can switch through the different frames. So now I'm on frame 1, now I'm on frame 0. So you'll see it's either on normal or fall. I could now click activate and update animation info. And now you see it's running. I can save this file, I can send it to someone, and if they have the runtime part of the plugin installed, this will happen for them. Now you see it goes quite quickly and I might want to slow it down a bit. You see that here it shows which frame is being applied, but I can't change anything. So first I have to put it back from active. I can edit the frame and I can go to the settings of the frame. And for example, set the delay to 250. Do this for both frames. And put them to active again. And now you see it will take 10 times as long for the animation to apply. So it takes a couple of seconds and we'll see that it goes to green. And you can set this delay even higher if you want to. And this way you could, for example, create a forest which eventually becomes fall and normal again and apply this to your parks.